Hello and welcome to Academiq AI. In this video, we will introduce you to Mastering Taxes. Yes, a tool that simplifies the tax concepts for students one lesson at a time. When we hear the word tax, it sounds horrific, right? Scared, right? But do not worry. We have our AI tool that helps us learn taxes just in seconds. Now, to access the tool, you have to first click on this segment named Learn Taxes. Right after it, you only have to fill three details. The first one, the grade, your student is in, let's say 12th grade. What about the topic? So let's say the topic is income tax. Yes, I want my students to learn what income tax is easily. And what about the country? India. That is it. I will click on generate and I will sit back and relax and I'll wait for it to help me know what income tax is in easy way, practical examples and, with real life relevance. See, here it is. I have my whole lesson ready in the best possible way. It has told me what income tax is, why do we need, who needs it, and all slabs and everything else that I would need to understand and learn what income tax is, right? Great. So I hope we understand it. Thanks for watching. Try mastering taxes today at Academiq AI and make tax education accessible and engaging for your students. Yes, happy teaching.